Yeah, I think we're pretty much done with the studio. There's plenty of little things left to finish off, but this is the first time we've seen kind of the finished thing. As you may have just noticed, the cinema chairs are kind of almost in. I've still got some stuff to do on them to make them totally finished, but I will do that next week, and I will make a more detailed video about how we did that. I think this video is just going to be a short one because on Sunday I have a session in here and I've basically been preparing for that, just tidying up, finishing off some last little bits, tuning the upright piano, yeah, basically getting it ready for a big session with 6 people playing together. So I thought this episode I would just show you around a little bit, show you the last things that we've done. It's going to be a little short, this video, but I am so proud and happy and kind of blown away that we have got to this point. The room is also sounding really good. Next week I will do the last of the acoustic tests, or the next batch of acoustic tests, so we can check on the progress. But yeah, it's quite strange to be at this point. Anyway, I'm going to spin the camera around. Less talking, more exploration, more looking. Less talking. Anyway, I'm going to spin the camera around and show you what's been going on. So yeah, on I think Monday and Tuesday I did the vinyl flooring up here on the deck, and then we put together these old cinema chairs, which are from the Village Cinema from 1942. So these are really, really beautiful. They need a bit more work. They need a base making for them to raise them up a bit and to tilt them forward a bit, because they're at a bit of a weird angle because they used to be installed on a slope in the original cinema. But man, they're so beautiful. I think this is maple, I think, on the top here, and yeah, can't believe I got all of these for $100. Pretty good deal. So yeah, this whole thing now suddenly it's just come to life. It feels like we've actually built a theatre by mistake. So yeah, down here, as you can see, we've tidied everything up, kind of organised the room a bit. You saw the lights last week, those are all finished. I put up that weird little scoreboard thing, which isn't wired in yet, but I will do that in the next week or so, and then I'll show you what that's all about. Let me just go down here. So yeah, for now, the acoustic gobo screen things are living over here, which feels pretty good. They don't perfectly fit in there, but it's not too bad. I think it feels like a good spot to have them. The mic stands are living over in that corner there for now. Again, feels all right. There's some drum hardware there as well. The upright piano is out here because we're going to use it in the session on Sunday. Usually it would live over there in the booth, but yeah, I upgraded the wheels on it so it's much easier to move it around, and then yesterday I tuned it and it's sounding really great now. So yeah, here's the pair of Bechsteins, grand and upright. All the amps are living around the edge here, which feels pretty good. Yeah, Elsa painted that wall at the top. I don't really know what to say. It's sort of, I can just move the camera around and you can just have a look. It looks amazing. Yeah, I mean, it kind of feels finished. I think a lot of what's made the difference is just that we've tidied it up. We probably could have had it feeling finished like 2 months ago if we'd just tidied it up. but certainly having the cinema chairs kind of looming down, it just looks so cool. Yeah, control room hasn't changed much. There's still an iron in the control room for some reason. Can't remember why that's in here, but maybe it can stay here. Yeah, control room is pretty much the same. Booth is also pretty much the same. So yeah, that's kind of all I've got to say on this video. I'm sorry it's so short, but next week I think I might actually make 2 videos. Yeah, I'll figure it out. Sorry, as usual, it's Friday. My brain has just been roasted for 5 days. All right, lots of love. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for everybody's help, everyone that came here to help, and all the support, all the members, everything. This is a real milestone. It's like 4.5 years since we bought this place, and this was just a drafty old barn, and now it's a studio, and it's sounding really cool in here. All right, lots of love. I'll see you next time. Until then, take it easy and goodbye.